Be First Rearward Facing Installation Guide. Remove the infant insert. Squeeze the grey recline lever upwards. Press the blue release button down whilst squeezing the grey recline lever. Rotate the child seat into the rearward facing position. Align the arrow to the rearward facing image. Lift the front flap in the cover to access the rebound bar. Lift up to lock into position. Ensure the child's seat is against the vehicle's seat back. A small gap is okay. The rearward facing level indicator shows the correct child's seat angle for your vehicle. Check that the level indicator is in the required range. To open the click-tight frame, twist and push the click-tight button. Open the click-tight frame to the full extent. Feed the vehicle seatbelt through the blue belt path guide. Continue feeding the vehicle seatbelt through the opposite blue belt path guide. Engage the vehicle's seatbelt buckle. Remove any slack. Close the click-tight frame by pressing down until it locks into place. Refit the infant insert as required. Press the top tether adjuster button and lengthen the top tether strap to the full extent. Connect the top tether attachment clip to the vehicle anchor fitting. Pull the top tether strap slack onto the side of the adjuster. Rotate the SICT anti-clockwise to full extension on the preferred door side. Lift the lever to adjust the headrest. Check the headrest and the shoulder slot position is level with the shoulders, but not below. Pull harness adjuster strap to tighten. Ensure a firm but comfortable fit. Be First. Fast, easy, secure. Britax Safe and Sound.